Hi everyone, my name is Abel Greg Kantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer or to copy some of your standard from an existing project to a new project, okay? It's more like copying what you have in an existing template, copying it into another model or another project. Now I'll be taking you straight into that. For me to do that, all we need to do is to come to our file here. When you come to file, you click on, when you come to open here, you are going to see a list of previous projects that you have done. So if I click on this, now I'm opening an existing project that I have done. I probably want to copy some of the existing standards that are here in terms of the wall type, the floor type, the units. So these are basically what I want to copy to this new project that I'm working on. And then I'm definitely going to be showing you how to copy these doors, these windows to our new project. You will agree with me, if you come to your architectural tab, there are some of the types of doors and windows which we actually made use of in the existing in this particular project, that in the new project you will most likely not find them. You can see we have 1200 by 2100. I created 900. I can't remember if this was existing there, but if you go through, you will realize that some of these door standards are not there in the default Revit template. So if that is correct, if I come to my windows as well, you can see this is from the previous project that was done. You can see we have 600 by 600. Now if I try to switch this now to this particular new project that I am working on, you realize most of this standard will not be existing in terms of the sizes of these doors and windows. They will most likely not be existing here. As you can see here, you see we don't have 1200 by 2100. We have 900 by 12. We have 750 by 12. Okay, so you can see this 1200 is actually not existing here. I can copy from the existing projects to this one without having to create all of this afresh. It's going to really take much of your time creating all of this afresh. Now to do this, we have already opened an existing project. Now this is the existing project. All right, so what I will need to do is to come to my manage tab here. If I come to my manage tab, if you come here, you will see transfer project standard. It depends on the version of Revit you are using. It may not be this small, so you just have to carefully check. This is transfer project standard. If I click on that, a menu is going to pop up for me, giving me all of this list. I can decide to check all of them. I can check none, and then manually click on whatever I want to include in this my project. You can see all I'm doing is to transfer all the standard that were there in the existing project to this particular new project that I want to work on. Now if you carefully go through this list, you will see all that are going to be transferred from here. You will see the dimension style, the area and volume computation. All of this, just carefully check. However, whatever you don't want to include in this new project, you can simply just uncheck it. Now you can see all of these are going to be included, and I will just click on OK. So once you click on OK, you are going to allow it to load. It may take a little while. All right, so now I'm going to overwrite this Now you can see from the list, so I will click on override. So let's allow this to load. Okay, all right, we're here. If you carefully check this, you come to your architectural tab and you check for the doors, you realize that the doors and the windows were not transferred, so they are not going to transfer for you. I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your doors and your windows into a new project. So if you carefully go through, you will realize that that size of door of 1200 by 2100 is not here. And then the windows as well will not be transferred. So let's carefully check for the windows. You will see all these windows that we have here. We don't have 600 by 600. We don't have and then most of the major windows that were used here, we don't have them here. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to transfer that immediately from an existing to a new project. So if you come to this particular new project, the existing project that we opened, this is the new one we want to work on, and then this is the existing one we've used before, we've done before. And this, now you can see this window is 1200 by 1200. Now for me to transfer this to this particular new one, all I need to do is just to click on this, and I will click on edit family. So if I click on the edit family, I will have to allow this to load. Okay, then I will click on load into project. Okay, but I think I have loaded this one already. So I will select where I'm loading this project to. I'm loading this to project 1 because this is the new project I'm working on. So if I click on project 1, automatically it's going to load that particular window in my new project. Similarly, if I want to load, let's say I want to load this 600 by 600 window, I will click on this as well, come to edit family, and then I'm going to also click on load into project, and I will select this. Is already selected, and I will click on OK. So this is basically how to achieve that in your Revit software. Now if I come back to this particular project I'm working on, and I come to my architecture and I come to my window, if you could, you'll realize that's basically the most easiest and fastest way to actually copy your doors and your windows from an existing project into a new project. Alright, if you love what you're seeing, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you stay safe and you stay blessed.